Welcome to Urban Garden Republic, your guide to thriving urban gardens. Today we're diving into the world of natural pest control, an essential skill for every urban gardener. Pests can be a real challenge, but with the right approach, you can protect your plants without harsh chemicals. The first step is identifying your pests. Each has its weakness that we can target naturally. Let's explore some natural solutions. Neem oil is a natural pesticide that disrupts the life cycle of pests. A mild soap solution can deter a variety of soft-bodied pests. Diatomaceous earth is great for crawling pests, causing dehydration. Introducing beneficial insects like ladybugs can naturally keep pest populations in check. Prevention is key. Healthy soil, companion planting, and regular inspections can greatly reduce pest problems. Now let's mix some easy DIY pest control solutions using everyday ingredients. Garlic pepper spray ingredients: garlic, hot peppers, water, and mild liquid soap. How to make: blend a few cloves of garlic and a couple of hot peppers with water. Strain the mixture and add a few drops of liquid soap. Dilute this concentrate with water when ready to use. Spray on the foliage of plants to deter pests like aphids, whiteflies, and beetles. Neem oil spray ingredients: neem oil, liquid soap, and water. How to make: mix a few drops of neem oil and liquid soap in a quart of water. Shake well. Spray on affected plants to target pests like mites, caterpillars, and scale. Vinegar solution for fungus ingredients: vinegar, preferably apple cider vinegar, and water. How to make: mix 1 part vinegar with 3 parts water. Spray on plants affected by fungal diseases like powdery mildew. Baking soda spray for mildew ingredients: baking soda, mild liquid soap, and water. How to make: mix a tablespoon of baking soda with a few drops of liquid soap in a gallon of water. Useful against fungal diseases like mildew. Soap spray insecticide ingredients: mild liquid soap and water. How to make: mix a few tablespoons of liquid soap in a gallon of water. Usage: effective against a wide range of soft-bodied insects like aphids, spider mites, and whiteflies. Beer trap for slugs and snails ingredients: shallow container and beer. How to make: pour beer into a shallow container and place it near affected plants. Usage: attracts and drowns slugs and snails. Epsom salt solution for pest deterrence ingredients: Epsom salt and water. How to make: dissolve a cup of Epsom salt in a gallon of water. Spray on plants to deter pests and provide magnesium. Each of these solutions is effective, environmentally friendly, and easy to apply in your urban garden. Share your success stories and learn from fellow urban gardeners. Happy gardening from all of us at Urban Garden Republic. Subscribe for more green thumb tips.